Cindy. Hey there, it's Mary, the AI Joy Dealer, and I am so excited to show you my AI marketing prompt methods for speed and profits. And this is going to go over many different methods that you can make money in a fast way for your marketing and also show you prompts. So this is 60 pages of this document, and then I'm also, and let me just fly through it so that you could see it's 60 pages of AI goodness. It's just giving you all the ideas of ways that you can make money and different methods. And then also hyperlinked to it and also connected to it is my 10 AI Joy Dealer next level prompts for marketing success. So you can see that these go into detail of the prompts and basically what you would need in order to have marketing success. So I am excited. I hope that you will be excited and you will see that there's a ton of goodness here. The value for what I'm charging is almost a labor of kindness. So if you are looking for any ideas, these documents are filled with them. So grab them while you can. The price will increase as the weeks increase. So grab it now. Have a great day.